Good morning, all the students of 9th class. Today we are going with the physics concept only. Tomorrow we'll go with the chemistry concept of chemical reactions and as well as what is the chemical kinetics. There is only one chapter, one lecture only completed. Once again, I want to take a revision of that lecture one tomorrow. Yes, don't miss that class. Why? Because we have examinations on Monday about this whatever chemical kinetics concept is there, and that is and now we have one more concept that is only the in our second lesson that is already completed, that is a freely falling body and as well as the thrown up body. There is the two types of bodies are there. depending on acceleration due to gravity value based. There is one is the free falling body, another one is the thrown up body. And now we are going to discuss about whatever maximum height, time of ascent, time of descent, these all are we are completed. Only two concepts are remained in that. Okay, after that we are doing the exercises on that particular part. Okay, yeah. Now there it is lecture number 5. We are not completed that till there is what things are not completed. One is the time of flight. Another one is velocity of an reach to the ground. These two are not completed. Now we are going to discuss about these concepts. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Yeah. The page number 80. All the students, we are almost completed. There is our this topic that up to lecture number 5. The number of practice sheets are there in this. Okay, one check it. Velocity. Before going to the velocity of these things, next we have one more concept after time of descent, that is the time of flight. Which one is called the time of flight here? Okay, now yes, when the body is started its motion from the ground and it reaches to the maximum height, again it is comes to the ground. Okay, the total time taken for this traveling path is only called time of flight. It is the ground. Okay, clear or not all the students? It is the ground, and it is somewhat a maximum height to consider. It is called as maximum height. Yeah, there is what it is the traveling path. We are consider it is. Okay, clear or not on this? It is the H max. Now the body is traveling its path from here to there is reaches the maximum height. The time taken for the reaching of this maximum height is the time of ascent. How much it is? U by G. And here to here the body reaches to here, again it comes to here, you know very well. Okay, because of gravitational force. After the reaching to the maximum height, again the body is traveling and reaches to the maximum height, again it reaches to here. The time taken for it is the time of descent. That is the called what time of descent is U by G also. The both are U by G only. The combined the time of flight, that is known the time of flight is equal to taken as TA plus TD. TA plus TD. Okay, the sum of time of ascent plus time of descent is only called what? Yes, to time of flight. Now this is equal to what? U by G plus U by G. Okay, clear or not? Now it is a become time of flight is equal to written as yes 2 into U by G. This is only called time of flight. Understood or not, students? This simple thing. When the body is started here, the surface is started here. Okay, and it will be moved somewhat now because of my force. It will be moved somewhat a distance. Okay, here there is a whatever the it is in air, not with my hand, not in this particular position. Yes, now it will be comes to again to my hand now. That will be only called as time of flight. Suppose this duster is there, it is the maximum height, it reaches to here and again it becomes to here. This is only called what? A maximum height. Okay, na? And as well as the time taken for the total, it is in a flight mode. Means what? It is in a air. It is only called what? Yes, time of flight. Or it is also may defined as sum of time of ascent plus time of descent. It is only called what? Time of flight. Please note down this. The next concept, velocity and reaching the ground. Velocity and reaching the ground. Yes, you know very well. There is a body is want to move the maximum height, it requires one particular velocity. Yes, finally, when it is a drop to the earth, it is a reaches to the earth. At that time, it is a contains of velocity. Yes, for a freely falling body. That is only now we are going to find out here. Yes, I hope you got it here. These are the students. When the body is yes, right? There is a what we are considered. The body comes from here. Okay, now from where? From maximum height to yes, maximum height to the ground. At that time, what is the velocity will be there? Okay, now what is the velocity there from the body when it reaches to the ground? Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is only now we are going to discuss. There is we are taken it is the final initial velocity of this particular body to become zero. And next one, there is a from that one easily we get this simple information. For the freely falling body, the equation of motion, third equation of motion is what? V square minus U square is equal to S 2GH. Okay, now when it is the body reaches to the maximum height, the final velocity becomes zero. That is only become the initial velocity for the freely falling. Got it or not? Now there is something moving up to here. It is the maximum height reached by it. And at that time, there is a when it will be thrown up body. When it is a thrown up body, at that time B equal to 0. That is only U for it. That is only what it is. That is only initial velocity for it. Which body? Free falling body purpose. It is a yes initial velocity. That is why U is equal to 0 here now. Okay, clear? When B square now it become what? B square is equal to yes 2GH. Then B is equal to become what? Under root 2GH. B is equal to under root 2GH. When one body is yes comes from some particular maximum height to the ground, when it is reaches to the ground, at that time it is a contain the what? It is a contain some velocity. That velocity value is under root 2GH. The final velocity of the body is equal to under root 2GH. Yeah, next. There is a when you take a projectile body, okay, at the same time, okay, when the body want to move from here to the maximum height, at that time, how much initial velocity we have to provide for it? Okay, na? That is also simple way only. There is a what we are taking B square minus U square is equal to yes minus 2GH. You know very well. When we take a projectile body, at that time, for a projectile body, for projectile. Okay, clear or not? For projectile, it will be taken as what? B square minus U square is equal to minus 2GH. When there is a projectile body is reaches to the maximum height, at maximum height, at H max, S B equal to what? B equal to 0. At that time, there is a minus 2 square is equal to minus 2GH. Now these two are cancelled with each other. U is equal to under root 2GH. This is only the yes. What is the initial velocity that required to projectile one body to the maximum height? Got it or not? The velocity, initial velocity, the required to the body reaches to the maximum height. That is U is equal to under root 2GH. Okay, got it. And as well as when one body is a freely falling body, when it is reaches to the end, at that time it is contains somewhat velocity. That velocity is equal to what? That is also under root 2gh. The initial velocity for the projectile body is equal to the final velocity of the freely falling. Okay, na? Yes, these are the formulas. Okay, na? Once you complete it, we tabulate that all formulas, whatever regarding to the free falling body, and as well as our projectile body. Please make it one table. Okay, now equations of motions and time of ascent, time of descent, maximum height, velocity reached to the body at the ground for a projectile, initial velocity, and next one time of flight. That all the formulas are very important. Okay. Once after completion of this, I want to make it with our tabular format. Everyone must and should maintain it in your notes. You get a lot of numerical problem answers from that particular formula. So once note down it. Yeah, all the students, once we target the all formulas regarding lecture 4 and lecture 5 is there, and for a projectile body, and as well as for our whatever our freely falling body is there. Yes, please note down on. Yes, these are the formulas are very, very important for you for the solving the problems in the freely falling body. Yes, these are the equations of motions. And afterwards, we have what these are the three very important formulas are there. Yes, about this particular. Got it? Yes, I hope you got it. It is very, very important things this for you for the one-dimensional motion for a freely falling bodies and other projectile bodies purpose. Got it? I hope you got it. It is. Next, we are taken a what after this? I hope you completed it. Is. Next concept the equation of motion and for a projectile body. Then the next concept. When we are taken up projectile upward body, at that time, what is the values are given for us? That is only now we are going to discuss. There is a which one is the called a projectile body? Yeah, there it is started from the ground. Okay, now it is started from ground. Yes, when it is the reaches to the maximum height, and as well as it will be minus d we are considered. Yes, that is the one opposite to the opposite in yes opposite to acceleration due to gravity opposite to the g. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, when it is in the motion opposite to the g, opposite to the g, that is only called a projectile body. Okay, now the equations of motion can become what now? It will be also written as v is equal to u minus dt. There is an initial velocity there, does not become zero. Acceleration due to gravity minus to the yes regular direction. Next, h is equal to what we are taking? H is equal to taken as ut minus of gt square. Ut minus of dt square. Next, b square minus u square is equal to minus 2bh minus 2bh. Okay, clear or not on this? Next, we have one more important one, that is only hn is equal to taken as u plus half into gn minus 1 by 2. Here, there is be taken what? 2 minus half into 2 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 u minus g into n minus 1 by. Okay, these is only the the equations of motion for a what? For a projectile body. Got it? When you take a projectile body, then it is what actually the formulas we are considered for a projectile body. And next we have to go with the what time of. For the projectile body, any time of ascent is possible? No. Yes, or descent is possible? Yeah, there it is the reaches to time taken from year to year. Now that is the time of ascent. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That is the time of ascent is there. Time of ascent, it is equal to taken as TA, that is u by g only. Yes, and next we have here initial velocity required to reach maximum height. To reach max height h max is equal to, that is also under root 2g h1. Okay, clear or not? These are the important formulas, and one more formula is also there, that is the maximum height and as well as time of flight. That will be common for both the bodies. A maximum height, where it will be at maximum height, and as well as and what is the time of flight? Yes, that will be two formulas are there. There are formulas are very important. With this one and more two formulas are there. Totally, yes, there is a 7 plus and another 4 11 and there is a 9. Yes. 13 and 15 formulas are there in this particular topic. Totally 15 formulas. The equations of motion 448 and other before that we are taking 3 and now we are taking these two. Okay, these 15 formulas very important to discuss. That is the two bodies. One is the freely falling, another one is the projectile. Okay, please note down these formulas. Yeah, next after this. Maximum height reached by the body, that is H mass is equal to taken as U square by 2G. H mass is equal to U square by 2G. This is the one more formula. And after that, the next concept is time of flight. Time of flight, that is T is equal to taken as 2U by G. 2U by G. This is the one more form. These are all formulas are very, very important. Yes, for the solving the problems in our freely falling bodies and as well as the projectile bodies. Yeah, all the students now come to the page number 75. Whatever the problems are there on our whatever freely falling body it is there, on that one there is somewhat the problems are there on 75, page number 75. Now we are going to complete that. Yes, whatever the question answers are there, please come fast. Now I am denied of it. Please note down, already it is there. Just we summarize here all the 15 problems, formulas whatever there. Now the page number 75. Once come to that. In that one, some questions are there. The answer to the question, first the question. Once check it. What they given in a conceptual questions? When a body dropped freely from a height, its initial velocity u becomes you know very well. Yes, there is a become 0. Okay, write down the answer, the 0. For a freely falling body, there is no initial velocity, that is become 0. Yes, next. The force which the earth pulls object towards it's called gravity force. It's a called what? It's a called gravity force or gravitational force. It is called a gravitational force. Gravitational force. Yes, any more doubts? ATS camera. Sounds are came. Yeah. Next. A body strikes the floor vertically with a velocity u and rebounds with the same velocity. The magnitude of change in a velocity would be, okay, clear or not? A body strikes the floor vertically with a velocity u and rebounds at the same velocity. The magnitude of change in velocity would be. Okay, there is a very important one. It is strike the floor vertically with a velocity u. Okay, and rebounds at the same velocity. Okay, clear or not, understood? That magnitude of change in the velocity would be, yes, there is no change in velocity, that is 0. Okay, yes, it will be strike the floor vertically with the velocity u and rebound with the same velocity. Then there is no change in the velocity, that is why the answer is 0 here. Yeah. Next concept. Acceleration due to gravity in a centimeter per second square they given. That is the fourth answer. Actually, in a meter per second square, it is a 9.8. In a centimeter per second square, it is a, yes, 980 centimeters per second square. Yes, and our fifth answer, that is a 9.8 meter per secant square. Yes, these are the conceptual questions on the students. The first part, concept practice sheet it is. Yeah, these are the answers of the conceptual practice sheet. Next, level 1 questions. The distance traveled by the freely falling body is a proportional to. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Whatever the distance is traveled by the freely falling body is a proportional to which one? The mass of the body, the square of the acceleration due to the gravity, the square of the time fall, the time fall. Okay, clear or not, all the students? There is a given what? Actually, the given the what is the velocity? Yes, we are considered here the distance traveled by freely falling body is a proportional to. Okay, now yes. Yeah, it is proportional to the yes square of the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It is actually there is a travel the distance traveled by the body is hence directly proportional to the square of the acceleration due to gravity. The answer the first one is A. First question answer is A. Yeah, next second question answer. Two stones of a different masses are dropped simultaneously from the top of the building, top of a building. Then which is the correct among these? The two stones are different masses are dropped simultaneously from the top of the building. Then which correct among these? Larger stone hit the ground earlier, a smaller stone hit the ground earlier. Which of the stone reaches the ground earlier depending on the composition of the stone? Yes, none of these. Yeah, all the students, very, very important question it is. That is a Galileo experiment also. There is a, you know very well, I am giving whatever the derivation of the small v value. Small v is equal to capital G into m by r square. Okay, clear or not, all the students? This m is the mass of the earth. This g is the what? This g is the acceleration due to gravity. This r is the radius of the earth. Okay, in this one there is no mass is involved by the body. Suppose you have to take there is no air resistance. Okay, there is no air resistance. Air is not a given any resistance or air is not a given B matrix. That much of friction is not there. Okay, the duster and chalk piece. Okay, clear or not? Or other the duster, whatever the another body you have to take. The both are may reach at the same time only. Why? Because the acceleration due to gravity or a gravitational force. Yes, it's not totally depending on, especially acceleration due to gravity is not depending on the mass of the body. It is only depending on the the distance whatever there between the one body to the earth. Okay, it is the same for all the bodies. Whatever the mass it is contained for it, It is not depending on the mass of the body. It is depending on the which provide the acceleration due to gravity. Yes, which body is provide a more acceleration due to gravity, which body is attract towards it. That is depending on that mass only. But it is not depending on the mass of the body, which is influenced by the acceleration due to gravity. Either maybe it is feather, or maybe it is a kite. Either maybe you are, either maybe me, or either maybe any other heaviest body. Here, there is all are reaches the same time to the earth. They are not depending on the mass of the body. Okay, clear? That is why there is a maybe heavy stone or maybe okay, smaller one. They both are reaches to the same time only. Yes, and it is not also depending on the whatever the mass of the content by the body or whatever the composition it will be made. It will be made by iron or it will be made by the cotton. In case there is no air resistance, the both are reaches to the same time to the earth. That is why answer is none of these. Second answer is D. Yes, next third one. A coin and a block of iron drop from the same height and at the same time, which one of the first reaches the ground? Same formula, same problem we are consider. A black iron will reach the ground first. The coin will reach the ground at first. The coin and the block of iron will reach the ground at the same time. Okay, the third one is answer. You take a smaller thing or heavier thing, it will reach at the same time. Why? Because there is a no here. There is a small here is there. Okay, now at that time there will be influence. But here the answer is C. Third answer is C. Yeah, all the students next. A body is released from a certain height after falling for some time. Okay, if the G vanishes, then what happens? Okay, clear or not? Suppose one body is released from a certain height, and there is no acceleration due to gravity after some time. What happened? The body continues to move with uniform acceleration. The body continues to move with a uniform retardation. The body continues to move with uniform velocity. The body continues to move with various acceleration. Okay, clear or not? All this listen carefully. The body continuously moving with uniform velocity. Okay, same as like our whatever satellites we are sending now. No? There is a what we are sending up to the acceleration where it will become zero, lightly become to zero. And as well as they are after that they are revolving around the earth with the same velocity only. There is no change in the velocity. Okay, answer again is the fourth one. It is C only. Yes, when there is no acceleration due to gravity, the body is just flying mode only. Yeah, in case acceleration due to gravity is not there, we are at a flying mode only, like a space. How the bodies are moving in that place. In that way only we are here. Now, the fifth answer. The fifth answer. A stone dropped from the top of the tower, touching the ground in a 4 seconds. The height of the tower become what actually? Okay, clear or not, all the students? They given what? Yes, the time they given, and the stone dropped from the top of the tower, touch the ground in a 4 seconds. Then what is the height of the body? Yes, what we require? There is a maximum height we require here. H max is equal to what is the formula? Yes, the formula is u square by 2g. U square by 2g here. Clear or not all this? Yes, now what they given? Just the time only they given. Okay, what the time they given? Yes, that is a stone dropped from the top of the tower and touch with the ground. Means what time of ascent they given? That is the TA given. So time of descent they given. TD given. T is equal to U by G. Now U is equal to become what? U is equal to become TD into G. Okay, clear or not? TD into G it is. Now how much it is? 1 second. What is the given? 4 seconds, and G is a 9.8. Okay, clear or not? Now you have to substitute these values in this one. H max is equal to taken as, okay now, 4 into 9.8 whole square by 2G. Okay, 2 into 9.8. Okay, this is only we are considering. Now make a mathematical calculation. You get it easy. Now, what that values are there? H max is equal to taken as S16 and 9.8 into 9.8 like this only here. Now 2 into 9.8. Yes, there is a 2 and it is a cancel with each other. 9.8 and 8 is the cancel with each other. Now H max is equal to taken as 8 into 9.8. Yeah, there is a written in our answers. Nearby it is taken as 9.8 is taken as 10 meters per second only. Okay, clear or not? Exact answer is this one only. Exact answer is there is 88.4, 78.4. Okay, now yes, what they given in a meters. It is nearby. In case when we take a 9.8 is a 10. Okay, yes, in acceleration due to gravity, for our numerical problems purpose, we taken sometime 10 only. Okay, now, yes, it is a 80 meters, then we are taking a 10 meters per second square. Got it? Otherwise, 9.8, answer is 7.8, 78.4. Okay, now in option they given 80 answer, that is why you write it, answer is 80, that question answer is A. Yeah, thank you, students. With this, today's completed. Tomorrow we go with the revision of chemistry. Come with chemistry textbooks. Any doubts? Please note down this problem.